How to top coat or doming a pendant using resin.
Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you how to top coat this pendant using clear resin. My client sent me this 55 pieces of pendant. She asked me if I can do the top coat for those pendant. I said yes, so she sent the pendant right away because I need to finish this on or before the deadline. So let's begin. For the resin mix, I used resin from Trendy Shop Philippines. Because their product is very easy to use, mix and also no harmful odor. And the resin is very clear and no microbubbles. I used small scooper so it's easy for me to pour the resin. Just keep pouring little by little, so it won't spill on the edge. If you love this craft tutorial video, now it's time for you to click the subscribe and hit the bell button. And also don't forget to click thumbs up, share and leave comment. Just keep pouring. If you want to visit some of my craft tutorials, just click the card showing on the top corner. To pop or release the microbubbles, just use lighter or heat gun. Just leave the pendant for at least 12 hours to achieve the fully cured. Make sure to cover up those pendant, so the dust or any insect won't stick on the project. Now here's the final result after 12 hours of waiting. Now let's start packing our project. I used individual packaging so it won't scratch the top coat. I just want to say thank you so much Miss Cha, for trusting and choosing Creationi Shop to create your pendant. I hope you like it. I just want to share that. It's really amazing every time I have bulk order. It makes me more motivated to achieve my dream. And I really love doing DIY crafts. especially those handmade jewelries. Now we're all set and the package is ready to deliver. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you to all your support to my YouTube channel. Just keep the bell button on to get notified for my upcoming video. And thanks to all Team Banana Jam who keeps supporting me. See you next video, guys. For more video, just click this and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.